Bitch, I told you go sell your ass, go sell your titty, go sell your mouth. Shit, go. If them niggas like to get all in your ear, go sell your ear too, ho. What are you talking about? Where's my money, bitch? I just told you we need to pay rent, we need to pay the light bill, we need to pay all that shit. What the fuck are you talking about? I just told you, I don't give a damn that nigga want to post sewage in your ass and eat it out. You better go down to that nigga house and give everything to this nigga. I'm talking about give him your soul, give him all that shit, bitch. I'm not playing with you. I don't even get down like that, ho. You know how we move around here. We don't got no money. I'm not finna go sell nothing. And then I told you, you need to go call the other nigga. You go walk down the street, go kill his grandma and go fuck her corpse. We can get some money off that too. That go feel in your pays, bitch. We need money. You talking about you want to be beautiful and all that shit. You can't be beautiful and we broke. Go sell yourself. We don't care about your morality. We don't care about your soul.
Tell that hoe suck a dick, man. I already know it. Tell that hoe suck that dick down her throat, man.
Hey, nigga, don't offer no commentary if you ain't paying.
Oh shit, I might be a parent. See how much that throat work.
I ain't gonna lie. The way she moves, I need a band.
A band?
I need a band just for like 5 minutes.
See, I ain't gonna lie. I need nothing by 2 minutes. She gonna suck my shit like that. I ain't gonna lie to you.
Bruh, I ain't gonna lie. So you talking like that, I need 1.5.
1.5?
Hey, bitch, I ain't ask. Hey, shut up when I'm talking to customers. You just a resource.
That's your hoe, your sister, your auntie, or your bitch. I'm kind of confused.
Bro, she just a whore.
Damn.
This my wife. Me and her got married like 2 weeks ago. But shit, I don't give a fuck about that.
And you okay with niggas putting dick on?
Yes, niggas, the fuck, we need money.
Damn.
Weddings pay, nigga. Weddings take money, nigga.
Shit, I'm just saying.
I don't give a fuck about that. I don't give a fuck about that bitch. I can go find another hoe.
How many miles on that pussy though? So I'm just trying to see so I can drive that bitch out like a
last week she had 5 niggas coming in. Literally.
At the same time, train?
You ever seen a train get ran twice?
Shit,
we on that time.
Though. I done seen that bitch run back and forth, but you tell me they was running that back and forth like a motherfucking
She
back
had
and forth.
10 niggas in it. 10 niggas at the exact same time, simultaneous.
Damn, niggas passing your bitch around like a relay race. That's kind of crazy.
You a fuck.
I'm just saying though.
That shit paid. Hey, bitch, don't be writing your motherfucking voice at me. Who the fuck?
Do y'all be beating on each other? I kind of feel.
Yeah, something shot that hoe. Every time I look up, she talking bullshit.
I kind of feel I ain't gonna lie. I think I walked into the wrong conversation.
You walked into the right conversation.
Nah,
come here, bro.
Hey, bro, what you doing, bro? You grabbing on me aggressive and shit,
hey,
bro.
Bitch.
Hey, bro, listen, bro. If you ain't your bitch, that's the only one I want to tell me right now, bro.
I ain't gonna lie, bro. Shut up, bro.
Hey, bro, don't grab me.
I just told you, bro. Hey, bro, come out that money, bro. She ready for you.
Hey, bro, don't tell me like that no more.
Be quiet, ho. I just told you that I got a customer. When I'm talking, you silent.
I'm saying, though, you ain't got to talk to the hoe like that. Shit, damn.
She a hoe. She don't deserve to talk. Hoes are meant to be used.
How much you done made off the hoe so far?
Shit, millions. But all that shit went to drugs.
Niggas paying me. Damn, you on crack too?
Yeah.
PCP?
Crack, meth, amphetamine, all that shit, bro.
You on all that? What about that fentanyl?
Hey, ho, anybody, hey, don't talk about what I'm into. I didn't ask you to open your mouth.
Baby girl, call my number 334-544-878.
Hey, bro, don't be taking my.
Call my number, baby girl. If you need help, you wanna get with a real man, call my number. Call my number.
Don't be saying you like that shit. You don't like none.
I can't say I'm boss to rich and I trick on bitches. I trick on hoes and work shit too. I do that too. I pay for nails, lashes, all that shit.
Bitch ass nigga, I know you not paying for her. You pay, you give me all that shit to me, boy.
Nah, I'll pay her, cause she need to be tricked on. You the trick ass. I'm gonna trick on her. You done trick.
Bro, shut up, bro. Get the fuck up.
I'm not telling her what I'm gonna do, bro.
Hey, bitch, when I get home, I need you to cook my food, wash my clothes, and you gonna wash my ass for me, bro.
I don't know. Hey, bro, how long you been out here, bro? Shit,
I been out here for 5 hours and came up on some racks.
How long you spend on stand out there, bitch?
For the rest of the day, nigga, she finna be selling it.
Bet. Hey, baby girl, hey, hit my line. I'm finna call police on the nigga ass.
What the fuck?
What?
Hey, nigga, where you going, bro? You ain't finna call police on
bro?
that, bro. This how we do, bro.
What you doing, bro?
Come here. What the fuck? Oh, shit. Yeah, nigga, got that train. I'm finna put that phone, yeah, nigga.
Don't do it, bro. Come on, bro.
I told you, stop playing.
I'm gonna pay for your bitch some new titty, bro.
Nigga, pay for your life in heaven.